So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And today we will be visiting the Sharjah Science Museum. So, what is this place really about? Exploring science has never been this fun. Sharjah Science Museum offers a distinctive experience for the whole family in a safe, motivational, and educational atmosphere. Here, there's something for everyone as visitors of all ages can engage in exciting and interactive scientific experiments. Regardless of your age, this engaging atmosphere will keep you amused throughout your visit with the most creative, scientific, and technological masterpieces of mankind. Step into this immersive experience of scientific exploration as you engage in hands on experiments, learn about laws of nature, thermophysics, and physiology and aerodynamics. Take part in electricity demonstrations and explore the hidden secrets and mysteries of space. You may also have a chance to test your reactions and discover your own potential capabilities. With more than 50 interactive exhibits, attractive programs, and interesting events for children, Sharjah Science Museum is designed to motivate and urge visitors to embrace innovation and creation. If you are captivated by this museum, then you can see then here is some information about the entry fees and opening hours, etc. So for children under 2 years, it's free. Children from 2 to 12 years is 5 AED, and adults 13 plus years are 10 AED. What about the opening hours? So from Saturday to Thursday, they open from 8 a.m. and till 8 p.m. On Fridays, they open from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this is by far my favorite of the exhibits here. This allows you to see detailed models of all the bugs and animals you can see in deserts. And this is where you look at picture of a star and trace it out with a pointer. This little piano that Waleed is playing is actually a display of how sounds move through waves. And this is a mirror illusion, where it actually flips you over and increases your hand size. Again, Waleed is trying something. This machine is where when you speak into this microphone, it either increases or decreases your pitch. And this is another mirror illusion. And this is a model of the human arm and human leg through muscles. And this is our spine. Over here in this exhibit, you can see all what the human organs do and how they benefit you. In this exhibit, it tests your reaction speed. So when the light turns red, the light, traffic light turns red, this little light bar will measure how good your reaction speed was. And this over here is how is a hot air balloon. And this is how a kinetic machine moves sand and makes shape. Again, this hot air balloon, it represents how air expands and slowly moves a hot air balloon upwards. This is a very captivating topic, and I've already learned this. It represents the theory of convection. Is a portable X-ray machine measure. So actually, that's where you see pictures of bones and study how well they're made and how you can identify problems in the body. Over here, you can is another illusion. If you look closely, there is a mirror that blocks the chairs, making it look like they're chairs inside the table. And then it's actually hiding a wall where our heads come out, making it look like we're gonna be eaten. And this machine here makes a blower go higher using a kinetic energy converter, and then how high the ball moves shows how much kilowatts you're generating to power specific devices. On the other side, it shows a working circuit with this theory. how is a machine that tests how well kinetic energy is needed to move an object faster. So if the mass is in the middle, it will move somewhat slower than an object with the mass all around its body. So the blue disk has all its mass spread around its body, making it an evenly spread mass. And so it moves faster than the red ball. Shows how the movie industry started. Our brain constantly tracks each image, and as it moves, we predict an moving image. And this is a live model of how human body's organs work. And if you break these body parts apart, you can see more things behind the body. Of this video, so please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you visited here and all about your experience. Anyhow, take care and bye bye.